Part 1 Listening.
Ever wondered what keeps a factory running smoothly? Today we'll explore the production department. This area is vital for turning raw materials into finished products. Every step in production matters, from planning to execution. Let's break down the key roles in this department. First, we have production managers. They oversee entire operations and ensure quality standards. Next, there are production line workers. They assemble products, managing machines and tasks. Quality control inspectors are critical too. They check products for defects and maintain quality. Each role is interconnected and essential to success. Now, let's discuss the functions of the production department. Firstly, they manage schedules and resources effectively. They coordinate tasks to meet deadlines and increase efficiency. Next, they implement safety protocols to protect workers. Training is vital for all team members. Continuous learning ensures skills remain up to date. Now let's talk about opportunities in production. With experience, workers can move into management roles. Specialized training opens doors for advanced positions too. There are also opportunities in project management and logistics. To achieve a successful career in this field, start with education. Taking courses related to manufacturing or engineering helps. Gaining hands-on experience through internships is crucial. Networking is key too. Connect with industry professionals. As we wrap up, remember that production is the backbone of factories. Every role contributes to creating quality products. Don't hesitate to explore opportunities in this exciting field. Ready to dive into a career in production? Take that first step today and discover your potential.
Part 2 Vocabulary 1 Production Department. Definition. The part of a factory that makes products. Example sentence. The production department works every day to make products on time. 2 Raw materials. Definition. Basic materials used to make a product. Example sentence. Steel and plastic are raw materials for many factories. 3 Finished products. Definition. Products that are completed and ready to sell. Example sentence. The finished products are packed and sent to customers. For oversee. Definition. To manage or supervise something. Example sentence. The manager oversees the whole production process. 5 Quality standards. Definition. The level of quality that products must meet. Example sentence. The company follows strict quality standards. 6 Assemble. Definition. To put parts together to make something. Example sentence. Workers assemble the machines carefully. 7 Defects. Definition. Problems or mistakes in a product. Example sentence. The inspector checks the products for defects. 8 Efficiency. Definition. The ability to work well without wasting time or materials. Example sentence. Good teamwork improves production efficiency. 9 Safety protocols. Definition. Rules and procedures to keep people safe. Example sentence. All workers must follow safety protocols in the factory. 10 Hands-on experience. Definition. Practical experience from doing real work. Example sentence. Internships help students gain hands-on experience. Useful structure. 1. This area is vital for. Used to explain importance. Example. English is vital for working in an international company. Communication is vital for teamwork. 2. They are responsible for. Used to describe duties or responsibilities. Example. Production managers are responsible for meeting production targets. Technicians are responsible for machine maintenance. 3. With experience, workers can move into. Used to talk about career growth. Example. With more practice, you can improve your English quickly. With experience, operators can become team leaders. 4. There are opportunities in. Used to talk about possible jobs or chances. Example. There are many opportunities in manufacturing. There are opportunities in project management and logistics. 5. To achieve. Start with. Used to give advice or steps. Example: to achieve success, start with good habits. To improve your English, start with daily listening practice. Part 3: Listen and repeat. Ever wondered what keeps a factory running smoothly? Ever wondered what keeps a factory running smoothly? Today we'll explore the production department. Today we'll explore the production department. This area is vital for turning raw materials into finished products. This area is vital for turning raw materials into finished products. Every step in production matters, from planning to execution. Every step in production matters, from planning to execution. Let's break down the key roles in this department. Let's break down the key roles in this department. First, we have production managers. First, we have production managers. They oversee entire operations and ensure quality standards. They oversee entire operations and ensure quality standards. Next, there are production line workers. Next, there are production line workers. They assemble products, managing machines and tasks. They assemble products, managing machines and tasks. Quality control inspectors are critical too. Quality control inspectors are critical too. They check products for defects and maintain quality. They check products for defects and maintain quality. Each role is interconnected and essential to success. Each role is interconnected and essential to success. Now let's discuss the functions of the production department. Now let's discuss the functions of the production department. Firstly, they manage schedules and resources effectively. Firstly, they manage schedules and resources effectively. They coordinate tasks to meet deadlines and increase efficiency. They coordinate tasks to meet deadlines and increase efficiency. Next, they implement safety protocols to protect workers. Next, they implement safety protocols to protect workers. Training is vital for all team members. Training is vital for all team members. Continuous learning ensures skills remain up to date. Continuous learning ensures skills remain up to date. Now let's talk about opportunities in production. Now let's talk about opportunities in production. With experience, workers can move into management roles. With experience, workers can move into management roles. Specialized training opens doors for advanced positions too. Specialized training opens doors for advanced positions too. There are also opportunities in project management and logistics. There are also opportunities in project management and logistics. To achieve a successful career in this field, start with education. To achieve a successful career in this field, start with education. Taking courses related to manufacturing or engineering helps. Taking courses related to manufacturing or engineering helps. Gaining hands-on experience through internships is crucial. Gaining hands-on experience through internships is crucial. Networking is key too. Connect with industry professionals. Networking is key too. Connect with industry professionals. As we wrap up, remember that production is the backbone of factories. As we wrap up, remember that production is the backbone of factories. Every role contributes to creating quality products. Every role contributes to creating quality products. Don't hesitate to explore opportunities in this exciting field. Don't hesitate to explore opportunities in this exciting field. Ready to dive into a career in production? Ready to dive into a career in production? Take that first step today and discover your potential. Take that first step today and discover your potential. Part 4. Listen and answer. Ever wondered what keeps a factory running smoothly? What keeps a factory running smoothly? The production department. What are we talking about? A factory operation. Why is production important? Keeps factories running. Today we'll explore the production department. What will we explore today? The production department. When will we explore it? Today. What department are we discussing? The production department. This area is vital for turning raw materials into finished products. Why is this area vital? It makes finished products. What becomes finished products? Raw materials. What does production transform? Raw materials into products. Every step in production matters, from planning to execution. Does every step matter? Yes, every step. What stages are included? Planning to execution. Why is planning important? To support production. Let's break down the key roles in this department. What will we break down? Key department roles. Which department are we discussing? The production department. Why discuss key roles? To understand production. First, we have production managers. Who do we have first? Production managers. What is the first role? Production managers. Who leads production teams? Production managers. They oversee entire operations and ensure quality standards. What do they oversee? Entire operations. What do they ensure? Quality standards. Why are managers important? They control operations. Next, there are production line workers. Who comes next? Production line workers. What do production workers do? Work on production lines. Who supports daily production? Production line workers. They assemble products, managing machines and tasks. What do they assemble? Finished products. What do they manage? Machines and tasks. Who manages production machines? Production line workers. Quality control inspectors are critical too. Who else is important? Quality control inspectors. Are inspectors critical? Yes, they are. Why are inspectors needed? To maintain quality. They check products for defects and maintain quality. What do inspectors check for? Product defect. What do they maintain? Product quality. Why check for defects? To ensure quality. Each role is interconnected and essential to success. Are all roles connected? Yes, they are. Why is each role important? For company success. What is essential to success? Every production role. Now let's discuss the functions of the production department. What will we discuss now? Production department functions. Which department has functions? The production department. Why discuss functions? To understand responsibilities. Firstly, they manage schedules and resources effectively. What do they manage? Schedules and resources. How do they manage resources? Very effectively. Why manage schedules carefully? To improve efficiency. They coordinate tasks to meet deadlines and increase efficiency. Why do they coordinate tasks? To meet deadlines. What can coordination increase? Production efficiency. Who coordinates production tasks? The production team. Next, they implement safety protocols to protect workers. What do they implement? Safety protocols. Why are safety protocols important? To protect workers. Who needs protection? Factory workers. Training is vital for all team members. What is vital for workers? Training. Who needs training? All team members. Why is training important? To improve skills. Continuous learning ensures skills remain up to date. What ensures updated skills? Continuous learning. Why continue learning? To stay updated. What remains up to date? Worker skills. Now, let's talk about opportunities in production. What are we discussing now? Production opportunities. Where are the opportunities? In production. Why discuss opportunities? To explore careers. With experience, workers can move into management roles. Who can move into management? Experienced workers. What can workers become? Managers. Why is experience important? For career growth. Specialized training opens doors for advanced positions too. What opens doors to positions? Specialized training. What kind of positions? Advanced positions. Why take specialized training? To grow professionally. There are also opportunities in project management and logistics. Where else are opportunities available? Project management and logistics. What fields offer opportunities? Logistics and management. Are there many career options? Yes, there are. To achieve a successful career in this field, start with education. How can you start? With education. What helps build success? Manufacturing or engineering courses. Why take these courses? To gain knowledge. What subjects are useful? Manufacturing and engineering. Gaining hands-on experience through internships is crucial. What experience is crucial? Hands-on experience. How can you gain experience? Through internships. Why are internships important? To learn practical skills. Networking is key too. Connect with industry professionals. What is key for success? Networking. Who should you connect with? Industry professionals. Why connect with professionals? To build opportunities. As we wrap up, remember that production is the backbone of factories. What is the backbone of factories? Production. Why is production important? Supports factories. What should we remember? Production is essential. Every role contributes to creating quality products. What does every role contribute to? Quality products. Why are all roles important? They support production. What do factories create? Quality products. Don't hesitate to explore opportunities in this exciting field. What should you explore? What field are we discussing? Production and manufacturing. Take that first step today and discover your potential. What should you take today? The first step. What can you discover? Your potential. Why start today? To build your future. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something useful about manufacturing companies and improving your English listening and speaking skills. In the next lesson, I will introduce another department, explain their functions, and share important terminology to help you improve your English, as well as your knowledge of manufacturing terms and factory operations. Stay tuned and subscribe to Tiny Better Days to improve your English, build your professional vocabulary, and learn more about the manufacturing industry through simple and practical lessons. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next lesson. Tiny Better Days.